Welcome to the latest update program of Drishti IAS. In this series, the topic of discussion is Maharashtra's new Rajiv Gandhi Award for Excellence in IT. The Maharashtra government has announced a new award named after India's former PM Rajiv Gandhi. The purpose of this award is to pay tribute to Rajiv Gandhi's remarkable contribution to the IT sector in India. The award will be given to institutions and companies for outstanding performance in the information technology sector with new ideas and innovations at the birth anniversary of Rajiv Gandhi on August 20. The decision about the constitution of this award was taken at a meeting of the IT department on July 7. The government will talk to various organizations like NASSCOM to finalize the modalities of the award. Maharashtra IT Corporation Limited, that is Maha IT, the state government enterprise, has been appointed the nodal agency to propose the award. This year, the award will be announced on August 20. The selection procedure will be completed and the award will be given before October 30. From next year, the distribution of the award will be given on August 20. Late Rajiv Gandhi served as the Prime Minister of India between 1984 to 1989. He was the youngest Prime Minister of India. Noteworthy, recently the Prime Minister has changed the name of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Awards to Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.